Hi, this is Gary with Golden Hammer PDR, and today I'm going to be working on this white Audi S7. And the damage we're going to be repairing is on the roof. There's 3 little dents. That one up there in the front is about between $1.25 and $1.50 size. That's the larger of the 3. The other 2 are right there around the quarter mark. And this damage is going to be repaired using glue pull methods, so we don't have to take the headliner out. As you can see, I have my tab on there and I'm getting ready to make my pull. And then after pulling up the dents, I go in with my knockdown and my paddle and get everything all leveled out nice and flat. Here in a minute you'll see the finished result. Everything came out great, laid down nice and flat. And here it is. So if you have damage like this or anything larger that doesn't need to be painted, we would love to be in touch with you. You can reach us at 720-352-4270. Thank you.